I'm so happy to announce that after this video, you're going to join that group and you're going to start speaking English. So this video is for everyone who want to speak English, who want to practice English with other people. Like, I've got so many questions or so many comments on my video that I don't have anyone to speak English with me. I'm alone in my house and there is no one to talk with me. Can you please tell me any kind of application or any kind of website or any way that I can practice my English or I can start my speaking English? Because speaking English is the most important thing. If you just read books and read books about how to ride a bicycle, you will never able to ride the bicycle, right? You have to start practice with actual bicycle. That's how we have to start speak English with other people or making videos. And that's why I am making this video. And that's why we're going to join our English speaking community, and there we're going to practice, we're going to speak with others. Yes, and that's a great opportunity for you. So don't wait, watch the full video, okay? Because in this video, I'm going to tell you everything, and I'm going to tell you how you can join the group, and I will definitely share the link, okay, to join the Facebook group. Just watch the full video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel now, because your subscription always inspire me or encourage me to make more videos to help you. And I'm so grateful for all your subscription. Let's start. The purpose of this group is for non-native English speakers to create meaningful connections, learn, communicate, practice, and empower each other. Anything else does not belong on our group. And I'm inviting you to break the walls to understand that you are enough, that you don't need to be perfect English to connect and be yourself. In our community, we expect everyone to be respectful. So give more than you receive. And this is the time when I will share my screen where you will see how you can join, what you need to do after click on the link. So here is the video. If you click on this link of our Facebook group like this, you will go to this page, our Facebook group, English Speaking Community. Speak English with confidence. You need to read the purpose of this group. You will see some questions. You have to answer all these questions and you have to submit before joining the group. This group is for non-native speakers of English who are looking to connect, share, empower, and support each other. I'm a non-native speaker, so you have to touch on that option. Next, what is your biggest struggle in English? You can write, I need to practice speaking, or I'm weak in English grammar. What you are struggling with, you have to write here. This is the most important thing. The safety of our members is very important to us. Please share with us what is rule number 3. What is rule number 3? For that, you have to go down. These are the rules. Do you see? I agree to the group rules. You have to read. Respect and support others. No self-promotion. No private messages or friend requests to members. Don't ask for one-on-one partners. Respect everyone's privacy. Participate in the group activities. Safety support, feedback, and corrections are not allowed. These are the rules. So what is number 3 rules? No private messages, friend requests to members. So you have to write here, no private messages or friend requests to members, other members. If you write here, I think that's it. Last one is, I agree to the group rules. This one, you have to click on this and submit. If you submit here, then I will definitely check your answers and then I will definitely approve you to our English speaking community. Now, you know what to do, okay? Please read all the rules, okay, and the purposes of our group, and please try to write everything. We want a safe place where we can share anything, because from tomorrow we're going to do the activities. It's time for second announcement. Yes, we're going to have 5 days English speaking challenge in our English community. So from tomorrow, we're going to start our challenge on the 1st November, and we're going to talk to other people from different countries. We're going to learn from each other. We all want to speak English with other people. I want to create a platform where you can share your English speaking journey. There are so many people around the world who has the same goal, who wants to learn English, who wants to talk in English, but there's no place. This is a great way to meet new people from around the world, to communicate with them, to share your thoughts in English. And this is the time where I'm going to share what is the challenge and what you need to do. You have to record videos. Really? How? No way. I'm not going to record videos. Like some of you react like this way. Yes, believe me, I did it in the past. Same way. I started recording videos, and that's why my English is like this. I became fluent because of making videos, recording videos. You have to believe in me. You have to do it. But how to do it? And what I'm going to record. Every day, I'm going to share one topic or one question, which you need to talk. And how long I'm going to talk? Very, very short. It's only 2 minutes. Really? Only 2 minutes? Yes, it's only 2 minutes. You just saw the topic, the day one topic. For example, introduce yourself. You have to open your phone's camera and you have to start talk to yourself in front of your camera. Like, this is Labony, and I'm from a South Asian country called Bangladesh, and I'm doing my graduation in English like this. Record that video only 2 minutes. You see minutes, 2 minutes, and you just stop recording that video, okay? But if you really want to long, not more than 5 minutes. This is the rule to make videos, and you have to talk in English, okay? But because this is your first time making English videos or talking in front of you, the first time you will feel a bit of weird. You will feel weird to hear your own sound on your phone, okay? This is totally normal, okay? Everyone feel this way. If you don't really know how to start talking in English, you can write some sentences, okay? And then practice before recording that video. What you are going to do after you record the video? You have to upload that video on our English community group, okay? On our Facebook group. And because it is very safe and it is private group, so you don't need to worry about your safety. No one will judge you. No one will judge you about your English or pronunciation or any mistakes. Yes, this is a group where we're going to learn from our mistakes. The first time, it'll be difficult for you, for everyone. I know if you never recorded a video, but believe me, if you just do it every day, the second video you'll feel, oh, I feel easy, not very difficult. Or then the third video, the third day, you will feel more easy, okay? And the fifth day, you'll feel totally relaxed while making videos or while talking in front of your camera. If you understand English, you can talk in English. That's true. I will record another video for your guideline, how to do it. I will also introduce myself. I will share that video on our Facebook group. After watching this video, you're going to join the group, and then from tomorrow, from 26th October, you're going to start working your speaking English, and that's incredible. So you see, after watching this video, you really start speaking English. And I'm so excited for tomorrow, because tomorrow you're going to join the Facebook group and you're going to participate in the activities and you're going to record the videos and you're going to share the videos. That's why I'm so excited. I can't wait to watch your videos speaking English in front of the camera, and that will be a great thing. How you can join the group? For that, you have to subscribe this channel, you have to like this video, and you have to write in the comment box this sentence. Please send me the link to join the Facebook community. So that is the sentence you have to write on the comment box to have the link of the Facebook group. Don't wait. Just go to the comment section and write on the comment box, and I'm going to share the link immediately. And you're going to join the group immediately, okay? And you're going to start working your English. That will be awesome, and I'm so happy to say that. Thank you for all your comments, all your subscription. Because of your inspiring words, your comments, I'm recording this video. I hope you understand everything, and if you really want to learn English, you should do this. You must join our Facebook group to practice English, because that's how I learned English. That's how I started speaking in English in the past, and that's how I became fluent in English in just 1 month. We're going to have a meeting. Yes, that is the reward of your hard work, okay, of your courage to believe in yourself. And I will share everything, all the details, how we're going to meet, when we're going to meet. Incredible, like, wow. I will see you in the next video very soon with another amazing lesson, okay, with fun, with very easy activities to learn English, to speak English. This video is totally unscripted. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate your time, your support, and your words, your comments. See you in the victory. Bye bye.